Welcome to Precision Test Automation. Myself, Prabhat. So let's see what we discussed in the previous section. Let me share my screen here. Okay, and let's go to our previous section, what we have discussed. Okay, in the previous section, we have seen about creating new tab, and after creating a new tab, we are loading the URL. Okay, now today we are going to discuss about generate random email address. Okay, so earlier we have seen an website, this one test box. In this we are filling the full name, email and current address, right? Let's take this and we will work on this example only. Okay, let's create a new web template. Generate email address sanity.csv. Okay, my template is ready. Now add this load URL. Let's load this one. Again, you need to understand this one. These elements are visible under this URL. Okay, add this URL. Next, if you see here, once we are coming from the test box, right? Here we are clicking on the test box. After that, we are coming here. So we'll take this one. Okay, send keys. In the send keys, so on the email, we are adding the action of send keys and we are directly sending the email address. But now I want to send a random email address. So for random email address, we are using OneSec mail API. Let's see how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. It's a very efficient domain where we can use a random email address and we can get that whole email address here. I mean whole body here. So what are the email you are sending, you can actually see here. Okay, and you can select a lot of domains here so that it is very efficient and it's very, we have a more options on working on it, right? There are unlimited of options we have. You can create your own if you want. Okay, and you can give this one, you can catch your mails which are been dropped on this email address. So that is the reason why we have integrated in this automation, and let's see how it works. So let's copy this one, add it here, and if you see here element located, and we had we need to send what are the email address generated here to here. So for that you need to use this step like mock address email, get random email. Okay, let's remove this. Now it's look good. Let's add hard weight to see what's actually happening. Okay, let's run this one. If you are facing any issue, that means the issue with your test data, because we are not writing any code. Okay, let's run this one. Okay, this is not there. Wait a second. What information? Yeah. So let's run this. So such kind of things you can raise a bug. Okay, and I will show you after this execution where we can raise a bug. So we will be raising a bug in this section as well. See, the random email address is generated and added here. So further in the sections, we can see how we'll retrieve the data from here, from this mailbox, and we'll be using our the going forward sections. Now we have seen a bug, right? We have seen that bug is been we are able to see that when that element means when the test case is invalid test case I am giving here, if you run this one, you are seeing that a null pointer exception, which that means these exceptions are not been handled properly, right? So we can raise an issue here, come to this scriptless web automation, come to issues, okay, and create a new issue. Okay, you need to sign up for that. Wait a second. We will go for another website where we have already signed up. Yeah, here we have signed up. So let's create a new issue here saying that null pointer exception on giving test ID which is not added in the test data. Okay, on adding invalid or test on adding test ID which is not added in test data, automation is showing null pointer exception. In such cases, automation should throw error saying test case ID not found or not implemented yet. So this is then proper error message, right? Understood, right? Sorry, don't bother about this point. Okay, this is for example I am showing you. So if you see here, we can see has not been implemented yet, whatever it is. Okay, has not found or implemented. So thing is, when the test case ID is not present, it should throw rather than null pointer, it should give some meaningful error message. So we are raising an issue here. Let's see when the precision test automation will reply on this. So this is how we need to create an issue whenever you found an error or found a misbehavior in the automation framework. So thanks guys. If you want to know more about any other scenarios, comment it below so that I can give a section on that as well. So try to use Scriptless automation. It's just a copy paste tool. Hope you enjoy this.